Ho, 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 ho. Hello everyone! It's Christmas time soon and it's a lovely time to make a puppet like me. A finger puppet and a stick puppet too. To make this puppet, we need a wooden spoon. It could be a plastic spoon, a Fevibond, small sized pom-pom balls, a button, some stickers, felt sheet triangles, red and white. The red one being 9 centimeters by 6 centimeters and the white one being 9 centimeters by 4 centimeters. Black felt and a small piece of white felt. A foam sheet. The length of the foam sheet is around 15 centimeters, 1/5, and the breadth is as much as my finger. So let's start making. Take your foam sheet and place the spoon on it so that the neck of the spoon is at the edge of the felt. So we are going to start with the beard. So I have this small piece of white felt sheet here, cut into a triangle, 9 centimeter by 4 centimeter. So what we are going to do is we have to fix this right in the middle of the spoon like this. We need a small curve here. So we need to take a pen and just mark the ends after folding. And this is the place where there will be a small U slit, and I'm going to cut this roughly like this. So when this shape comes, and that's the time I have to stick it like this. Apply Fevibond in the middle of the spoon. Now fix your Santa's beard. Paste it behind. Once I fix the beard, the next step is to fix the moustache. Now for the nose, you can either stick a bindi. Here I have such beautiful stickers which I'm going to use now. Next, I can fix 2 eyes. Or the Santa's cap. Take the pointed part of the triangle and I pinch it and I fold it like this, like a cone. Now I have to glue this part. My next job would be to fix this open end near the eyes of Santa in this way. Fix it and turn it. You can cut a small piece of white felt sheet and stick it on the cap to make it look neater and nicer. Fold the end like this and glue it in. Fix a nice colorful little pom-pom. Now that we are ready with Santa's face and his cap and all, The next we need to do is work on his body. Fold the foam sheet along the spoon line, turn it, and then turn the other foam sheet, glue it, I have a red piece of felt which is slightly longer than my puppet body. Now I could just wrap it up like this and check the size. So now what we are going to do is we are going to paste it in this way. But before we do that, we're going to fix a nice border on top of this. Glue it at one of the ends and stick. Now the next step is I'm going to glue it in this way. Attach this sheet a little higher so that it gives a nice neckline. Once I've stuck this part, you'll realize if I have to make it straight, a fold comes here. So that would look like a hand of Santa. Stick this area. Look at how I've folded the hands as I'm sticking it. Now the next thing we will do is we are going to add a little bit of a belt element here, for which I have cut a black color felt. So my Santa is all set. Put it in your finger to do a finger puppet act. Or you could also use it as a stick puppet. Ho ho ho! Happy puppet making!